In this video, we are going to create functionality to focus on the comment area. When the user click on the comment button, which is this one, when the user click on it, we want the focus to be on the add comment. Before we do that, over here, when the user create a new post, we are supposed to display the post over here. So copy this one from here, post, copy it from here, then over here will be dollar. Then you target the class, that's the element that you want to target, post dot html and data. Then go to your index.php, remove the echo from here, we don't need it, remove it. So now in your ages, let's copy this one from here, then over here just paste it here. Okay, so let's go and empty the cache. Click anywhere in inspect, empty the cache. Okay, so okay, so now let's work on this one. So first, this one be dollar document dot on check, and the element that we want to target is this one. So click here and inspect. That's this button, comment button. It's a class. So when the user click on it, so dot comment as btn and comma function. So when the user click on this one, we'll find comment as this one. Make it focus. Realize that we have a class of what comment. In order for us to do that, we need to first find the parent of this one. The parent of the post button is post underscore buttons. And we'll find the siblings of this one. So the siblings of this one is the post form. Then based on that, we'll find the comment. That's the comment class, which is this one. So this one over here will be let comment area be equal to $this. Then this over here refers to the current element, the element being clicked on, which is this one. So which is this one. Then I'll find its parent as the post underscore buttons. So over here will be dot parent. This one be dot post underscore buttons. Then dot siblings. So the siblings the siblings of this one is the post info, the post form, the post buttons. So I want to find a sibling, which is this one. So copy it from here. This one be dot, then paste it here. And inside the post form, I want to find the comment, which is this one. Right, so over here will be dot find. Then this one be dot comment. Then over here will be semicolon. Over here will be comment area dot focus. Then here will be semicolon. Okay. So empty the cache. Okay. So try and click on this one. As you can see, our logic has worked. Now, so let's click on this one again. So as you can see over here. Okay. So in the next video, we are going to create functionality to get the comment input.